Hello everyone, welcome back to Mary's Kitchen. Today I'm making ricotta spinach gnudi. The ingredients I'm using to make the gnudi are a 280 gram container of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of cooked, drained and chopped spinach, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 egg. I will begin by adding the ricotta cheese. The spinach was boiled, drained, and I'm just cutting it up a little bit. One cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg. I'm gonna stir this a little bit to blend the ingredients together. I'm adding the 1 cup of all-purpose white flour. Mix it again. I'll just continue mixing until the flour is well incorporated in the mixture. I think this is just about right. I have here some semolina flour, which I'm going to use to roll the gnudi. I'll use a tablespoon to scoop the mixture. Nice big flat pan for my sauce. I'll begin by adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to dice 1 garlic clove. I have 10 ounces of Marzano cherry tomatoes. I'll add some salt, a little bit of pepper. So I cook them for about 3 minutes. This recipe will give you about 18 to 20 gnudi, depending on the size. So I'm going to cook them now, but I'm not going to put them all in the water. I'm going to cook 6 at a time. Before boiling them, I'll add a little bit of olive oil in the water to prevent them from sticking together. I will gently move them around. So they'll cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once they're cooked, you will see they'll float to the top. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of butter to the tomatoes. Just stir them a little bit. Add a little bit of Parmesan cheese over them.